Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I would like to quickly show you the process of drawing this eyebrow. I started using sharpened HB pencil to create the basic shape of the eyebrow. I tried to draw the guidelines really light so it won't be visible in the final drawing. Then I draw slightly curved lines to create individual brow hairs. You can see me drawing them in few rows and various directions. They are irregular grouping and overlapping. If you want to watch a tutorial on drawing eyebrows, I would recommend to watch one of my previous videos on drawing eyebrows. I will add the link to the description. And if you want to watch longer, real-time, exclusive tutorial on drawing eyebrows, including drawing more eyebrow shapes and drawing exercises, I really recommend to watch my video on drawing eyebrows on my Patreon account. I will add the link to the description as well. I used to blend each layer with a soft paintbrush. I use this tool to add smoother look to the drawing. I do not recommend to use a blending stamp to blend the eyebrow hairs, it will blend the strokes away. Then I darken some hairs using 2B pencil. Finally, I create the darkest lines with 4B pencil. Try to keep the pencil sharpened all the time to create the really thin lines. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel because many tutorials are coming. Keep practicing and see you next time.